the first demo, we have bouncing from ActivityPub to AtProto, an update from our friends at Bounce.
Hello, hello. Thanks, Johannes. Excited to be here again. For those that don't know me, I'm Anuj Ahooja, and I'm here with Ryan Barrett. Together, we are building a new social. It's a nonprofit building multi-protocol tools and services for the open social web, kind of like BridgieFed, and what we're going to talk about today, Bounce. At the last FediForum, we announced Bounce. It's a first of its kind service that allows you to migrate between open social protocols. And at the time, we kicked the project off with a migration from ATProto to Mastodon. We launched it in beta in August, and it's been like really cool to watch people use it. We've seen people just use it to see what their social graphs look like over different protocols. And we've actually had a bunch of people bounce from Blue Sky to Mastodon as well. So that's been really neat to see people using it for its purpose. Today, we're really excited to introduce the next Bounce beta, and that enables migrations from Mastodon to any existing ATProto account, whether you're on Blue Sky or Black Sky or any other PDS provider. We do this by migrating your Mastodon account into BridgieFed and letting you keep all of your followers and all of your bridged follows. We're really excited. When we went one way last time, we were really excited about that. But now that you can go both ways, I think we're getting closer and closer to kind of making this a real migration tool. Ryan's here today, so he's going to show off Bounce a little bit and show off what that new beta is going to look like. So Ryan, go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, Anuj. Hi, everyone. So you may have seen this. This is the Bounce homepage. This has been out for a while, migrating one way, as Anuj said. So we are going to walk through migrating the other way from a Mastodon account to an AtProto account. So we'll start. This is what you would see now, since right now it only does starting from AtProto, but we'll put in a magic secret password that no one can ever guess. And we'll scroll down, and now we can choose. We're choosing, again, the account to migrate from. And so we're going to, as an example, use one of our own accounts, or our own account on Mastodon. The login here does the OAuth thing, but I won't bore you with that. You've done that. You've seen that before. Now that we've chosen the account we're migrating from, we're going to choose an AtProto account to migrate to. And again, this is our kind of native Blue Sky account. So now it says, okay, I know the Mastodon account you're migrating from and the AtProto account you're migrating to. Let's look at what's going to happen. So in this case, the Mastodon account we're migrating from has 800 something followers. It's not already bridged, so they're all Fediverse followers. It shows the preview here. And then it will also migrate as many of the follows as it can. And so this account follows many fewer, but it follows a mix of bridged, unbridged, Fediverse, Blue Sky, etc. So we say, okay, looks good. And so this starts to describe what's going to happen. And so the key thing that happens here is we are using the native Fediverse migration, the move activity. And so after this, if I clicked migrate here, it would walk us through setting up the alias from your Mastodon account to BridgieFed. And then once you do that and you say go, that uses the move activity, all of the followers move into BridgieFed and they get attached to this Blue Sky account. And so then when you use this native Blue Sky account and you post, the posts get bridged back, all of your old followers on the Fediverse still see those posts and you can still interact with them. Back to you, Anuj.
All right. Thank you so much, Ryan. So we're really looking forward to rolling this out. We're going to go live on October 20th for all users. But if you're interested in testing in this really weird space we're in right now, where we're like trying a bunch of stuff, if you want to try it out early, let us know. We'll be happy to give you early access and you can start using Bounce a little bit before October 20th. With this and unbridged notification DMs, which we launched last month, we're getting closer and closer to helping users have one multi-protocol account for the open social web. And we'll hopefully have more news around that soon. So thank you, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. Back to you, Johannes.